I just finished working on this a few minutes ago, and I'm calling it Miley, Lindsay, Amanda, Sinead, an homage to Amanda Palmer's polemic on women in music. She is part of the music continuum. She is part of this difficult world. She was exploited when she was just starting and wants to save Miley from all of her suffering, but she's effectively only erecting more walls. I am part of the music continuum, and I am part of this difficult world, and I was brought up to be shameful of nudity, sit and smile pretty, do what they tell me, which never has helped me or made my life easy at all. She's part of the music continuum. She is part of this difficult world. She knows the power of constructive dialogue, has a perspective on women in industry, also in nudity. Also, she wrote us this song. AFP is an artist who's helped me to be more proactive in finding my voice, but it's hard enough to find out who we really are when everyone out there is trying to deprive us of choice. She is part of the music continuum. She is part of this difficult world, and she wants desperately to be taken seriously, for people to like her, to be in control of her own sexuality and own her own body. And I may not agree, but she's only 20, needs a community of artists who've been there to help her discover and uncover her power without licking a sledgehammer, so things can get better and we can make music again. I don't know what the point of this all is, just that discussion will help push us all. So let's all keep talking without all the hating on some 20-something